Hi everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to share fried beef Boti Kebab recipe. So soft and tender. Very easy and simple recipe. You can serve with rice roti parota and also eat as a snacks. Beef marination preparation. Beef 800 grams. Clean and washed. Salt to taste. Papaya paste 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Yogurt 1/2 cup. Tikka masala 2 tablespoons. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander crushed 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Pinch of orange food color. Mix very well. Done. Cover and rest for 3 to 4 hours. Best results for overnight. Marinated beef transferred to the cooking pot. Add little bit water. Cover and cook 10 minutes on high heat. After 10 minutes, stir. Release water from beef. Cover and slow cook until beef tender and soft, 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, beef perfectly cooked. Let it cool down. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Crushed coriander 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Onion 1/2 cup. Mix. Corn flour 1/2 cup. Mix. Done. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Flip. Stir. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.